Okay, today we're looking at March the Trouble Trolls. So you can see we're right at the very bottom of the piano here. And there's a C here. And we need this C right here. Okay? This one. So not that one. This one. Okay. And our rhythm is 1, 2, and a 3, 4. 1, 2, and a 3, 4. Because of that triplet in the middle. So we have 1, 2, and a 3, 4. And that's sort of the main idea behind this piece. So you'll see that I went up in a 5-finger pattern in C minor. This is C major. This is C minor. Major, minor, major, minor. Okay? We do 2 of those, and then the right hand joins in, and they play the right and the left hand together. So the right hand does basically the same thing. And so the right and the left play that together twice. That's this. Okay, Simone? That. That. Then the right hand plays a C minor chord. It looks like a C major chord, but there's E flat in the key signature, so we're playing this C minor chord, and the left hand is playing that same thing that has been playing the whole time. So our right hand's going to do this, while the left hand yet again does. And then the right and left hand play these groups of 2 black keys on the piano. Notice it's not the very bottom. The very bottom is here. We're on this one with the left, and this one with the right. And it's... Is this all coming back to you?
Yes.
And now it will be with you forever because you'll be able to see it on the internet. So that gives us this part here where they both do that together. Then we go back to the same thing with the right hand and the C minor chord and the left hand playing that pattern. Then we go back to the same thing that we had here. So these 2 lines are the same. And here we have both hands playing a C minor chord. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to hold the iPad and show my hand. You can just look at my hands. So make sure you can see what I'm doing. So the C minor chord together in both hands, like that. And then they're both going to play this chord. So this chord is made up of this F, this A flat, and this C flat, which looks like a B. So it's really squishy. So we're on both sides of the groups of 2 black group of 3 black keys, with the F and the C flat or the B, and then the black key is the middle of the group of 3. Okay? So both hands play that. Twice. Then the left hand moves back to its C minor chord, but the right hand moves to a C minor chord in a different inversion. It moves in what's called first inversion. So the C is on the top, the G is in the middle, and the E flat is on the bottom. So the C on the top, the G in the middle, the E flat on the bottom. And while the left hand plays its C minor chord, and then the left hand goes lower to this G, and then finally to the very lowest C on the bottom of the piano. So our last line is like this: C minor, 2, 3, 4, this little F diminished chord, C minor in 2 different positions, left hand goes down to the G, and then down to the C. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's stop that.